Are you overwhelmed by the world of supplements? It's a common feeling. The supplement sphere is like a vast, intricate maze, teeming with an array of options, each promising a path to better health. But with so many choices, it's all too easy to get lost. Navigating this maze is even more challenging when you factor in the confusion and misinformation that often cloud the supplement landscape. From exaggerated health claims to misleading labels, it's no wonder many of us feel like we're blindly stumbling through this maze, unsure of where to turn. That's where we come in. Our aim is to provide you with trustworthy, clear-cut information about different types of supplements, their potential benefits, and the risks you should be aware of. We're here to guide you through the maze, helping you make informed decisions about your health. So, let's dive into this complex world and make it a bit simpler. When we talk about supplements, what exactly are we referring to? Well, supplements come in many shapes and forms, each with its unique role. The first category is vitamins. These are essential nutrients that our body needs in small amounts to function properly. They help with everything from energy production to immune function. Next, we have minerals like calcium and iron. They're vital for various bodily functions such as maintaining strong bones or carrying oxygen to our cells. Then there's protein powders, a favorite among fitness enthusiasts. They are used to enhance muscle recovery and growth after exercise. Herbal supplements are another category. Derived from plants, they are often used for their medicinal properties like enhancing digestion or relieving stress. Lastly, there's a vast array of other supplements including fish oils, probiotics, and more. Each has its unique benefits and uses. Now that we know what we're dealing with, let's discuss why people take these supplements. Why do people turn to supplements? What benefits are they seeking? Well, let's break it down. Many people use supplements to fill in nutritional gaps in their diet. We're talking about those essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies need to function properly. Then there are those who use supplements to support their physical performance. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts often turn to protein powders, creatine, or amino acids to enhance their workouts and recovery. But it's not just about physical health. Supplements can also promote better sleep. Melatonin, for example, is a popular choice for those struggling with insomnia or jet lag. And let's not forget disease prevention. Certain supplements like omega-3 fatty acids have been linked to a lower risk of heart disease. However, the benefits can vary widely depending on the individual and the type of supplement. It's not a one-size-fits-all scenario. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows in the supplement world. Like anything we put into our bodies, supplements come with their own set of risks and precautions. There's a potential for interactions with medications that can affect their effectiveness, or even create adverse effects. For instance, St. John's wort, often used for mood disorders, can interfere with a whole host of medications, including birth control, heart medications, and antidepressants. Overconsumption is another concern. Even vitamins and minerals, when taken in excess, can harm your body. For example, too much vitamin A can lead to toxicity, affecting your liver and causing symptoms like dizziness and nausea. Quality and regulation in the supplement industry are also crucial. Not all products are created equal, and unfortunately some might contain harmful additives. Therefore, consulting with healthcare professionals before starting any new supplement regimen is of utmost importance. They can guide you about the right dosage and potential interactions with any medications you are already taking. Remember, supplements are just that, a supplement to a healthy lifestyle, not a magic bullet. So, what have we learned about navigating the world of supplements today? We've explored the vast landscape of dietary aids, delved into the myriad types, and highlighted their potential benefits. Yet, we've also underscored the importance of caution, as risks do exist. Most importantly, we've emphasized the necessity of professional guidance. With the right information and guidance, you can make informed decisions about supplements and how they fit into your overall health strategy. Stay healthy.